What's up, everybody? So it's Sunday. We have something nearby called Detail Garage, and it's a detail shop, and they serve products and stuff like that. And we're doing the cars and coffees over there. And today we're taking all of the cars that we can, leaving from my house here. So right now, what we have in the driveway is. So of course, the Baja is going to be making an appearance. It's now tuned, so there's no reason not to. I'm gonna change this fender. That's not okay with me. Found one, gonna get it soon. But we've got my buddy Cam's 2005 WRX wagon, front mount, VF48, 04 STI BBSs, four pop Brembos in the front. Say hi, Cam.
Hey, Joe. We might have an issue.
Nah, we don't have an issue.
Okay,
it's closed.
We're good.
Cameron, say hello.
Hello.
This is Cameron. You guys will probably have already seen him on Jacob's channel. He's been on there quite a bit, helping him out, getting that car ready. But this is his WRX. He's going to be addressing this rust here. He's getting Subi savers, and he'll get that welded on, painted, primered, the whole deal. And then over here,
I think the guy that wants my HKS BOV is the one that's selling them, and he wanted to trade me. So I'll trade him the BOV for the Subi savers.
right, so this is Justin. Justin just picked up this 92X Aero. Another one for the channel. We're gonna obviously be documenting this car's progress to life as well. It's a 2005, so it's exactly the same as Nico's. The only difference is obviously this is bone stock, and Nico has done some clever modifications on it. But you have a tow hitch. That's cool. You have a tow hitch. All right, maybe keep that. And then instead of doing a diffuser, you throw a flagpole on it. All right, so that's Justin's car. And then we had Mochas, but they all went to the car wash. They're being bougie. Andrew's GR Corolla, if you guys don't know yet. We did a video on first impressions of the car, and Andrew did buy it. So this is Andrew's new daily. We're gonna be getting a lot more information about this car and how he likes it coming up here in the next few days, but we're just waiting on the rest of the boys to get here. When they're here, I'll show you who we got. So as you guys can see, everybody just pulled up. Now we have Danny's CC, Nico's 92X, we got Andrew's GR, we have Caden's Crown Vic, Cam's car. Yeah, we got everybody here. We're about to get ready, waiting on Corey to get back because he needed to stop for gas. He's always that one guy. So we're waiting on him to get here. Once he gets here, we're gonna roll out. And we got about, how many cars we got? We got 3, 6, 9, 10 cars.
I like my drag pack.
Your drag pack? Yeah, dude, absolutely. Nico got some new tires. Homie got some Johnnies. I mean, some real big Johnnies. Yo, is this aired out? He's literally... He is literally driving around like he's got a rake. Like the back end of the car is up and the front end is down. Good morning. Cute doggo. That's the VIP guest right there, is the doggo. Yeah, so Nico's got monster truck now with rake. All right, what's up, everybody? So we made it to the car meet. Right now, all the cars lined up. Let me take you through what we got. First things first, we have the Baja sporting a Mango Tea can. We have Corey's 08 STI, Nico's 05 92X. We have Justin's 05 92X, Danny's Volkswagen CC. The thing is gnarly. We got Nick, also known as Dad's Hawkeye WRX wagon. And then this is a father-son build right here. So this is Nick and this is Cam. Nick is Cam's dad. So this is their twin builds. You've seen a little bit of Cam's car a little bit ago. This is one of Cam's buddies. I didn't catch his name in the Veloster. We were playing with him in the back roads. It was pretty cool. Our buddies, Crown Victoria. We have Andrew's GR Corolla. We have some guy's Forester. He came with us. We have Jake's B2300. And last but not least, we have a Volkswagen Golf GTI. And then we're gonna go check out something in that corner over there because those are hot. So these two cars right here, they're very, very similar to one another. They're both KO4 twin turboed builds. The one on the right here belongs to Will. The one on the left belongs to Rob. Shout out to those guys letting us come over here and take a look at their cars. And this one on the right here has a B7 S4 transmission in it that he swapped over. These cars are beautiful. This one has got a little bit of the stock interior mixed with some Corbo buckets. Really, really clean, short shifter. And as mentioned, bi-turbo KO4 cars. This is a daily driver. They daily drive these cars here. Same thing with this one. This one looks a little different than that one. He's got looks like a catch can setup on it as well, but same thing. KO4s, twins. Really, really dope cars. Really want to get another one of these someday.
Love dogs.
What are we talking about?
There's a dog over there.
Oh yeah?
And a Subaru big Oldsmobile.
A Subaru Accord. I love those.
Let's go look at the GRs.
Yeah, let's go look at stuff. Right there, dude. You don't see the Civic right there that's got hydraulics. I know. Right-hand drive Type R. Thing's boosted. Wait. Oh yeah, that thing is hot.
No, I think it's the arch. The arch is.
They got some cool stuff. Hello?
This has some bad boys and a mean can.
Oh, look, it's the Dodge. Is that a Celica?
Where?
Right there.
Yeah, it is. A Celica GT4. Where's the rest of our tail? We got our tail? I'm making sure we're not missing our tail. Danny made a friend without knowing it.
Danny have a CC?
He picked it up last week. That thing is like a little built too. Little right-hand drive, Johnny. Hell yeah.
Hey,
Thing's hot.
do you see what I see? Parked behind the.
Rex wagon?
Yes.
Yes, I do see that. Yo! Envision? Are you kidding? You don't know that car? Oh, apparently I was recording. That's cool. Hey, it's a Supra. Found a Mark IV Supra, right-hand drive. This thing is super clean. Ah, yes, cup holder mod. Good man.
At ACT Super Club.
This thing is super clean, super bump.
LS 400, Chelsea boy, lowered. What else we have? Regular traffic. And then over here we got a little
OBXT, Cops SF kit, big old Grimspeed top mount, IAG Comp Series AOS,
IAG fuel rails,
IAG rails, Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator.
Not a bad way to spend $10,000.
This thing's got some sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, and a Mishimoto radiator. This thing's done up a little while, Nico.
6 speed.
6. Oh, it's so clean. No, you don't. You really don't. I have a manual turbo Baja myself, and
It's over at the-
it's
the
over
back
on the
lot.
other side. Lifted Benz. Corey. All right, guys, we've made it to a really, really special car. So my buddy Phil Gaspar, if you're from the northeast area of the country, you probably know something about him. His Instagram is Catch Me Running Naked, and let me show you what this guy has. So this is my buddy Phil's VMS racing wheels, Smart for 2 with carbon door handles, and of course little chassis mount style wing with an exhaust. This thing's super cool. If you guys want to check him out, I'll put his Instagram on the screen so you can see all the cool stuff that he has going on. Really good guy, always hosts, and he's always really good at what he does. So check him out. I have a red, is this Circuit?
It's a circuit.
Circuit? Oh, okay. So it's a GR Corolla with a Circuit, bulge hood, super hot. Like, that looks amazing. And for the rest of it is majority stock. But yeah, they're out there, people. We have 4 of them right here, 5 of them. Sorry, there's a gray one over there as well. So 5 of them in total. So look at that. We just came across a GTR 33. Actually, this might be a GTS-T.
Girl Scout cookies, Girl Scout cookies. Come and get your Girl Scout cookies.
Super, super clean. And also we have a nice Alfa Romeo Giulia with some wheels on it. It's the brown leather interior with the sport seats. And it's got a big old intake on this thing. Probably making some pretty good power. Love those headlights. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can. The honeycomb. That honeycomb is beautiful. Beautiful looking car. And just before we know it, we got a nice little Modena here. Beautiful. Center lock wheels. Beautiful. Oh man. All the carbon. Absolutely beautiful Modena. C8 Corvette. No, the taillights are gorgeous. We got all the Corvettes over here. We got C8, C7, C5, C8, And then, you know, that thing could be a Corvette, but it's not. Got a Ferrari over there. The only one we're missing right now is a C6. Where are you at, boys? Bring out that C6. And this is the reason why I'm walking this way right here. I want to look at this Viper. Looks like maybe a 99, 2001, maybe. Well, we came, we walked around, everybody's getting ready to hop out of here. Got to see a lot of stuff with you guys, which was really cool. So now we're gonna make our way home. Oh, look at this thing, hold on. Oh yeah, that thing's hot. Yep. Love this freaking, this is my favorite Gen Viper. Just love how wide it is.
All right.
Yep, time to roll out of here. Yeah, I know. That's Nico's, I think, from when he had the bug eye. We got back. Jake, you want to say hi? Chef Jake is cooking it up
I'm making hot dogs.
on the grill. Got everybody over here. Oh, Nick. I mentioned you in one of the videos. Nobody knows who you are. This is Nick. And that's his son, Cam. You guys met him earlier.
Incoming in bond.
The Bergs is ready? Ooh, yes, sir. Word. Okay. I need a toasted bun. I like them tan and toasty.
One word.
I'll take another glaze.
Same.
With a toasted bun.
Same. Dog.
I'll take a Berg with a toasted bun.
Babe, I'm gonna go grab another drink. Do you want anything?
Fridge in the house. I got one.
I'm gonna grab a drink.
There's buns in the fridge in the garage.
And buns.
All right, guys. So we ate food. Everybody's hanging out. We got Mr. Jacob himself. Tag his shit again up here. But we got everybody over here. We're all just kind of kicking it. Cam is touching up on some stuff in his engine bay, making it cleaner, trying to diagnose a boost leak. We have Nick over here, took the entire timing assembly off, and right now he's putting it back on. Corey is doing whatever Corey's doing over here, just hanging out. And that's gonna wrap up today. So we got car show in there for you guys. We got a lot of our builds in there, nice little cruise session, some audible of the new tuned Baja, and that's it. So like, comment, subscribe. And to the 75% of you that are not subscribed, I'm looking at you. I'm watching you. Do better. Be better. Y'all take care.
Subscribe better.